Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Far Away. In this video guys, I didn't take you to the process of me sanding everything. All this paint was flaking off all the way, including the top. So what I did, in order for me to take all the paint off, I got myself a wire brush with a grinder and just went to town with it. I just scraped everything off. Then I went back and sanded it with a 80 grit, and it came out real smooth. Now what I gotta do is put some DTM primer, which is direct to metal primer. I'm gonna be putting some high solids primer so that I can high build primer, I'm sorry, so that I can start blocking it. But I already fixed a couple of little dents that it had. The front fenders are good. All I need to do is just put the primer and start blocking it. I took the bumper off already. The windows, as you can see, they're off. So I'm not gonna be putting primer on the doors yet. The doors are gonna come off. I already grind everything off, so everything's in bare metal, kind of. The only thing that's not in bare metal is gonna be the fenders and the back. The back actually was like the factory finish, so it wasn't flaking off as bad. I guess because it wasn't exposed to the sun that much. But all in all, everything else has been scraped down to bare metal. The doors, like I mentioned, I'm gonna take them off, but I'm gonna start prepping everything so that I can have it ready for primer. That's what's gonna be coming up next. And that's it guys, that's it. This is where I'm at with the truck right now. I'm taking a little longer than what this truck was gonna be needing, but reason being is that there was a lot of paint flaking off, and I don't want to do my work on top of that because I know it's gonna fall off. So let's just I'm gonna pull the truck out so that I can pressure wash the floor, the walls and everything. That way I can bring the truck back in here and start covering it up so that I can primer. There it is. The entire truck has been masked. The only areas that are gonna be exposed are the ones that I'm gonna put some direct to metal primer. Okay, so let's just get started. Let me show you the primer I'm gonna be using. It's from Evercoat, and it's a DTM high build primer. DTM meaning direct to metal. Okay, so this one, the gun I'm going to be using is going to be from Harbor Freight, the Black Widow HBOP with a 1.7 tip. All right, so let's just get started. Start mixing the primer and start applying it. Okay, this one's the DTM primer is mixed 4-to-1, which is 4 parts of the primer and 1 part of the catalyst. Okay, so let me just add the catalyst so that I can stir it, put it in the cup. I'm not going to strain it. Reason being, it's real thick and I need all that. It's not going to go through the strainer, so I'm just going to pour it straight to the gun and start applying it. This is after 3 coats of primer, waiting 15 minutes in between coats, and it's ready. All I'm gonna do is just let it set for a couple of days so it can get nice and cured so I can start block sanding. I'm gonna be putting a guide coat, block sand it. It should be ready for paint. And this is it, guys. This will be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys now know how to apply the direct to metal primer. Another thing, guys, if you're not following me on my Instagram page, go ahead and follow me. It's Faraway Paint. I usually post pictures and small little videos as to what's coming up on my YouTube channel. And this will be it, guys. All right, guys, have a great weekend and have a great week. I'll see you this coming weekend. And like always, God bless.